Good morning, friends. I hope you guys are having a great morning so far. I trust that you guys are being respectful, responsible, and ready to learn. Okay, so today we're going to do one more day of perimeter and area, and tomorrow we're going to have a quiz on perimeter and area. Okay, so I need you paying close attention, please. Okay, so we're going to do a couple examples of finding the perimeter. So I have a rectangle here, and I know that this side of the rectangle is 13 feet and this side of the rectangle is only 7 feet. Okay, but I need to find the length of these two sides before I can do my perimeter. So if this side is 13 feet, I know that this side is the same, and it's 13 feet as well. And I know that this side is 7 feet, so this side must also be 7 feet. Okay. Remember, to find the perimeter, we find all the length of all the sides and then we add them together. Okay, so we're going to do 13 plus 13 plus 7 plus 7. Well, I know that 7 plus 13 makes 20. So I can do 13 plus 7 and 13 plus 7 to make 20 plus 20. And that's going to be a lot easier for me to add. So 20 plus 20 makes 40. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 40 feet because we added up all of the sides to find the perimeter. Alrighty, our next shape, it has more sides. So this time it's given all of the measurements for us. We just have to add them all up. Okay, so I'm going to start by writing them in a straight line like we did earlier this week. So 11, then 9, 3, 1, 2, 5, 3, and then 6. And now I need to add them all up. So if I do 11 plus 9, that makes 20. I can do 3 plus 1 would make 4. 5 plus 2 would make 7. And 6 plus 3 would make 9. Okay. Then 20 plus 4 would make 24. And then 7 plus 9 is 16. Okay. So now I'm ready to do 24 plus 16. Okay, so if I start in the 1, 6 plus 4 is 10. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus another 1 is 4. So the perimeter of this shape is also 40 centimeters. Okay, because that's what our sides are measured with. Alright, so when we find the perimeter, you are adding up all of the sides. Okay, perimeter is the edge of a shape. So you need to add up all of the sides. Okay, now it's your turn. I want you to take time to pause your computer, get out your whiteboard and marker, and find the perimeter of this shape. After you find your answer, you may hit play, and we're going to do it together. Okay, find your answer, hit pause, find your answer, and then hit play to check your answer. Okay, to find your answer, I hope you stacked all these numbers up. Okay, so 14, 7, 12, 4. Okay, so 14 plus 7 is 21, and then 12 plus 4 is 16. So now I can add those up, and I have 6 plus 1 is 7, 2 plus 1 is 3. So your answer should have been 37 feet. Alrighty, now we need to find the area and the perimeter. Okay, remember perimeter is the edge of a shape, and area is the inside. Okay, so to find the perimeter of something, I could count up the length of each side, or I could do some hops. Okay, I'm going to decide to do hops since these squares are easy to hop. So let's start right here and find the perimeter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So our perimeter is 16 square units. Okay. Alrighty, remember to find the area. We are just going to imagine that there are lines here since the black is covering up our lines. Okay, and we are going to count the spaces inside our shape. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And the area is 12 square units. That was a little sloppy. Alrighty, one more together. Okay, again, the perimeter is the edge of a shape. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So our perimeter is 11. And area, think in your head again, how do we find the area? Okay, I see that this shape has some squares cut in half. Okay, and remember the other day I taught you that we need to save those for last, and we're going to count those at the very end so we don't get confused. Okay, so 1, 2, can't count that one because it's cut in half. 3, 4, 5, I'm going to skip that one. 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I have 8.5, 9, and then 9.5. Okay, so my area is 9.5 square units. Alrighty, so perimeter again is the outside of a shape, and area, you're finding how many square units on the inside of a shape. Alrighty, now it's your turn. Again, pause the computer, and I want you to find the area of this shape. Okay, remember the area is on the inside. Perimeter is the outside of a shape. Go ahead and pause your computer, find your answer, and then hit play. Okay, just like our last example, I hope you saved your halves to count them at the very end. Okay, so let's count only the whole part, the whole squares first. So 1, 2, can't count these two because they're halves, so I'm going to save them for last. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to skip this one. 11, 12. 12 and a half. 13. 13 and a half. 14. So your answer should have been 14 square units. Okay, so I hope you found that answer. If you didn't, I hope you recognize where you messed up. Alrighty. Tomorrow, you are going to be taking a quiz on area and perimeter, so don't whine. You're going to do just fine, okay? I'm a poet and I didn't even know it. Okay, so please be good today for your sub, and tomorrow be ready for your quiz for area and perimeter.